I am Riya. I am a student of Success Abacus online classes, and today I am going to show you some sums that I have learned.
Add 8, add 4, less 2, add 3, less 2, add 8, add 2, add 4.
25,
Correct. Second, add 2, add 4, add 5, add 8, add 7, add 9, add 5, less 9.
31,
Correct. Add 4, add 5, add 7, add 2, less 4, add 7, add 5, add 1, add 9, less 6.
30,
Correct. Add 2, less 2, add 1, add 1, add 7, less 4, add 4, add 1, add 4, add 6.
20,
Correct. Add 8, add 3, add 1, less 8, add 3, add 5, add 4, less 6, add 9, add 5.
24,
Correct.